any ships that came in earlier during possibly the Kadam time or Shilara time, wherever. This is a natural port. So they would go and go straight down, and the port was over there, the Veliapattan port in Veli. And also, I told you about the Kitol or Kitla lighthouse. You can see a lovely lighthouse on top. This is what is guiding the ships that come inside over here. And when we are passing, we will see one more thing. We will see the Baradi cross, which you can see right on top. There is a roof and one small point over there you can see. That is what we will see on our way back. But right now, I want you to just go around, see the seat, sope as they called it, and the plaque. I am sitting like a royalty on this small little chair over here. But what I want to point out to you, behind me you can see that end of the beach. Ladies and gentlemen, did you know that that is the southern tip of the second longest beach strip in India? It starts just after Holland, that is near Daboli, and passes all that ROC, Majorda, Utorda, Kolwa, Benauli, Varka, and then cavellossim. These are not in that sequence, but if I tell you the names, there are many, many more over here. So what you are looking at over there is the tip of the second longest beach stretch in India.